This video will show you how to make money as a broke teenager without working a traditional job. This is for all of the teenagers that are currently broke right now and need to make some extra cash fast. If you can start these side hustles at an early age, it will be better for you so that you can save more money as time goes on and be rich in your 20s. The best thing about this is that you can do all of these side hustles at the same time, so make sure that you watch until the end in order for you to make thousands this summer. The first way that you can make money is by doing outdoor jobs. You can wash people's cars, mow their yards, or pressure wash their driveways. At first, you're going to need to borrow some equipment from your parents to do this, but it will bring you in a lot of cash. Now pick which one of these that you think you will enjoy and will be easy to do, and then set your rate. For example, if you're going to wash cars, then charge $10 to $20 less than the competitors within your area. If you can make $30 per car and you wash 10 cars a week, that's $300 you've already made, which is easy money. And you can wash the car for a maximum of 30 minutes or so. To get started, I would recommend to set up some leaflets and include the details of your service, pricing and contact information. Then post these leaflets around your neighbourhood to get your first few clients. This side hustle is great for you to do now, as it is nearly the summer where most people are wanting their cars to look nice and shiny, and for their yards to look fresh and clean, and for their driveways to not be dirty. The second way that you can make money is by flipping products. Now you can flip phones and high quality shoes on websites like eBay and make a lot of money. Now if you don't have any money to buy those things in the first place, don't worry, as you can start by looking to see what things you already have laying around your house that you can sell. And even if you manage to make $50, by doing that, you can then use that capital to start buying more products and get the ball rolling. But if you do have some spare cash, you can always look to buy second-hand phones or shoes and then resell them at 30 to 50% more than you bought it for. Now any profit you then make will go back into the business to buy more products and resell again. You should try to resell phones for a $50 to $100 profit margin to make it worth your time. For shoes, you can probably expect the same numbers as well. To determine how much you can make from any phone or style of shoe, just simply have a look at how much they are already selling on websites such as eBay, Amazon and Facebook Marketplace. Now before we get into the third way of making money as a broke teenager, type the word winning in the comments below so that I know you are still watching the video and you've not skipped anything. Now the third way that you can make money is by growing a social media account. Now hear me out, this is going to take a lot longer than the other two previous ways of making money, but it is going to bring you the maximum return. And the best platform to do this is on Instagram, where you can create a brand. So for example, you can post motivational content and you can post your content once per day. Now you can create your own designs by using quotes on Google already and then putting these together with an online tool called Canva that is free to use. Then you want to use a few hashtags for each post so that it can be found by other people that like to view that type of content. Just make sure that you don't use over 30 hashtags, as then you're going to be spamming and not many people like that. If you do that consistently and grow your page to 10,000 followers, you can then easily sell your account to someone else for $500 to $1,000. Now this will take more time than the previous side hustles, but the bigger your following, the more money that you can sell your account for. So if you want to stick with it, try and grow your account to 50,000 followers. And you do need to be patient with this one, as you are growing a business from the ground up, but I can guarantee you that it is well worth it. The fourth way that you can make money as a teenager is by walking dogs. This is ridiculously easy to do nowadays, as more people are requiring for this service. You can maximize your income by walking 2 or 3 dogs at the same time. So for example, if you charge $20 per dog, you can make up to $60 an hour for walking 3 dogs. I find it best to just ask neighbours if they need their dog looking after, and you can do this face to face, but you can also just post on Facebook for anyone that would like to reach out, or again, print flyers and post it through doors.